Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to format SD card in GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, you want to expand your control center. Just like that. Thank you. Then you want to head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to scroll all the way down into Reset. And inside Reset we have a nice button for formatting SD card. You can click on that. You will get a little warning that, hey, did you know that formatting the SD card will actually remove everything from the card itself? You want to hit Format because you are a very smart person and you already know that. And now our SD card is formatting. And after a quick moment, our SD card is now empty. Beautiful! We can even check that if we simply go this. And as you can see, there is no media whatsoever. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.